How to change my Clash Royale password. If you want to change your Clash Royale password, here is how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Open your Clash Royale application. As we all know, Clash Royale itself doesn't have a password. But if you use Supercell ID, you can open the game and tap the gear icon on the access settings. So, tap onto the three horizontal line, select Supercell ID. From here, tap onto the gear icon, then tap onto the connected Supercell ID. Then you can tap on OK. Then log on to the screen, enter the email linked to your Supercell ID, then check your inbox for password reset link. You have to open the email from Supercell ID and tap the link. You have to enter the new password, confirm it and submit the changes. Then head back into the Clash Royale and log in with Supercell ID. You have to enter your new password, then you are all set to go. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Clash Royale password. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.